Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. Infinix, a leading smartphone brand, has just launched their latest and greatest smartphone, boasting a world-class 200MP camera and a whopping 150-watt charger. Let's dive into the details and see what this incredible device has to offer. The Infinix Zero Ultra is a game-changer in the smartphone market, boasting a massive 200MP camera that's perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos. This impressive camera is paired with a 150-watt charger, which is not only super fast but also incredibly efficient. But that's not all. The Infinix Zero Ultra is also packed with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring that you can use your phone all day without worrying about running out of juice. The device also features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and browsing the web. One of the standout features of the Infinix Zero Ultra is its incredible camera. With a 200MP sensor, you can capture stunning photos and videos with ease. The camera also features a range of shooting modes, including portrait, night, and sports modes, making it perfect for any photography enthusiast. Using the Infinix Zero Ultra is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, you'll find the camera easy to navigate and use. In addition to its impressive camera and charging capabilities, the Infinix Zero Ultra also features a sleek and stylish design. The device is available in two colors, black and silver, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. Overall, the Infinix Zero Ultra is a fantastic smartphone that combines top-notch camera quality, fast charging, and a user-friendly interface. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, this device is definitely worth considering. Thank you for tuning into today's video. If you enjoyed this update on the Infinix Zero Ultra, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Until next time, happy smartphone shopping!